We're getting ready for our math today, and we're still in the summer season. So Mikey Battle, that means your birthday is in summer. We're going to go ahead and take out our Saxon math booklet right here, and we're going to turn to page 19. Okay, so this one is a page where we get to practice writing our numbers. So let's go ahead and do that together. We're going to start with 0, and you curve around, down, and go back up. So the zeros, how they show them here, are more like ovals. So start at the dot, curve around, touch the bottom, go back up. Start at the dot, curve around, touch the bottom, go back up. Curve around, touch the bottom, go back up. Start at the top, curve around, touch the bottom, go back up. Now the next row is zeros all by yourself, okay? Just start at the dot, try to touch the bottom, okay? And if you're having problems writing these at all, that's okay. Just ask your parents maybe to use your highlighter for you to trace, okay? So there's zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well, that's pretty great. Okay, now this is the number 6. So okay, so this is, you start at the dot, slant down, and then you start curving around and give it a belly, okay? Slant down, curve around, give it a belly. Start at the top, slant down, curve around, give it a belly. I think this is almost easier than the zeros to write for me. Start at the dot, curve around, give it a belly. Start at the dot, curve around, give it a belly. It's kind of like a curve, almost like the 0, 2. Start at the dot, slant down, curve around, give it a belly. Start at the dot, slant down, give it a belly. Start at the dot, curve around, give it a belly. Start at the dot, curve around. Start at the dot, curve around, and stop. Start at the dot, curve around, and stop. There we go. We've got our number 6s. Okay, now number 9s, you start at the dot, curve around, go all the way back up to the dot and stop, and then go down. So it's kind of like you're making a little circle at the top and then a stick coming down. So start at the dot, go down to the dashed line, make a circle, and then make a stick going down. Start at the dot, make a circle, and then make a stick going down. Start at the dot, make a circle, stick down. Start at the dot, make a circle, then stick down. Now, if I'm going too fast, you can pause the video, remember? Start at the dot, stick down, start at the dot. This is the number 9. Start at the dot, connect it, make your circle, then a stick down. Start at the dot, make your circle, and then down. Start at the dot, circle, down. And the last one, start at the dot, and then the stick. Okay, now for the number 8, okay? It's all curvy, and then you cross and come back. Curve around, almost like making 2 S's stuck together. Okay, so up here, curve and curve. There's your S. And then you're coming back and connecting it, okay? So curve around, then curve back, and then curve up and connect. Curve around, there's your S, and then come up and connect. Now, I'm going to show you another way that I do this too. I don't know if this is easier. I make 2 circles. So I start at the top, I make a circle, and then I make a circle below. So that's another way to make an 8. Circle, circle. You can practice and do the one that's easiest for you. So I make a circle up at the top, circle at the bottom, circle at the top, circle at the bottom. Sorry, I didn't realize you weren't seeing that. I'll show you again. Circle at the top and then a circle at the bottom. Circle at the top, circle at the bottom, okay? Kind of reminds me of a snowman. And look at that, we finished. We're all done. So please give yourself an exit ticket. Now, where am I going to tell you to put this? You get to put this in your green folder. I'm going to go grab mine. This is going to come, this workbook is going to come back to me today, okay? So please put this in your folder, okay? you should have as well your August calendar in there. And I want you to look at the top. If you don't have your name on this, can you please write your name on that right now for me? I'm going to write mine. You can write yours. That would help me so much when I go to grade your classwork to see that your name is on it. That's always so helpful so that I know it's yours. So all these things are going to go in here today. You can close it up, and then you're going to bring those back to me. Okay. Thank you for joining me for this lesson today, boys and girls.